Alright, welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy KP from Kpreptiles. And today, we're going to see how hard it is to get the Burmese python out of his enclosure. Or if is it hard at all, right? It's my albino Burmese python. And seeing some people pull their Burmese out of the enclosure is sometimes difficult. But let's see how this goes. Right? Oh, I gotta get in there at a good angle. Alright, there we go. What's up, Burma? So what I do is I give him a little rubber on the chin to make it okay to enter his enclosure. I want to respect him. It is his enclosure. Alright? Alright, come on, Burma. Easy. Right? Nice and easy. Alright, so let's go ahead and get Burma outside, people. No hissing or anything, right? Just came right on out the enclosure. Alright, so we made it outside. And I got Burma on my shoulder. So, what's up, Burma? There you go. Get him off, try to get him in the grass, right? Because you know, it's his walking time. Or how you say it, slithering time, right? Right? It just don't sound right. So, I'll let your boy, people, we got the albino Burmese python outside in the grass. What I normally do is I let him chill out here, 30 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. And, I'll walk away sometimes. But he still wants to try to come underneath me and lay on me and rub on me a little bit. But, when you want him to go ahead and just roam around out in the grass, right? Or catch his sunlight, you let him do it. You can't come out to the park and just come outside with your snake and have him just hang underneath me all day. You got to be able to hang out there, get some fresh air. He's starting to get real big, so I'll let your boy, people, stay tuned. Get to see how he grows. Oh man, the sun finally came out from under the clouds. Make sure y'all hit that like button, people. Super bright out here. He's definitely getting all the sunlight he needs. And then the other cool part about Burma is that whenever he gets tired of being outside, he'll start to crawl up on me and basically let me know that it's that time to go back inside. Because, being that he's albino like this, sun could really burn his skin, so he doesn't like to be out there very long before he decides to just crawl underneath my legs and hide and just peek out. That's what he does. So, alright, people, I'm about to go ahead and get Burma back inside, because all I'm going to be doing is keep moving around, and then what happens is that sun will get on him and he's looking for a shady spot, because I believe that natural sunlight is just a little bit too much for this snake, at least at the moment. So join us next time, people. We're gonna let Burma sit out here and slither probably another 5 minutes, and then I gotta get him inside because I don't think he likes the sunlight very much. Oh, he do, but it's super burning nowadays. Like, some days it's regular sunlight, and some days you can feel the heat coming off this sun today. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, people, if y'all new to my channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. It's your boy KP from Kpreptiles.